Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw a fun little dinosaur. This dino looks really cool with his bright red spikes and a special accessory, a toy gun. Let's get started. First, color in the dinosaur's body with a nice, vibrant green. Make sure to color the spikes along his back in a bright red. Don't forget to color his belly in orange. It'll make him pop out more. Great job! Now, let's color the gun with some blue to make it stand out. Look how cool your dinosaur looks! You've made an awesome drawing today! Hi again, young artists! Here we have another fun dinosaur, but this time, he's ready to roll with his roller skates. Let's begin our creative adventure! Start by coloring the dinosaur's body in a fresh green, just like the grass. His roller skates should be a bright red to match his energetic vibe. Don't forget to add a little yellow to his eyes to make him extra cute. Wow, your roller skating dinosaur is looking fantastic. He's all ready to roll around. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be drawing even more fun characters.